Hello, in this video, we will look at common errors in selection statements. Most common errors in selection statements are caused by incorrect indentation. So let's look at the first one here. So we have this if radius is greater than or equal to 0. Now we're going to perform this, compute the area, and then display the area. So here, this statement should be indented the same as the previous one. And now for this, it is not indented correctly. So what happens is, regardless what this condition is, so this is always going to be executed. So the correct one is this. Let's look at this example here. We have if, inside if, and this is the if statement. And here's the else. Now this else matches this if right here because this is in Python, the indentation, it is very important. So the same, indented the same if else. So this one else matches this if. If you want the else to match this if, then you have to write it this way. Often, new programmers write the code that assigns a test condition to a Boolean variable like this. So assign true to even if number is divisible by 2, else assign false. Now, this can be simplified in one statement, simply doing this, assign number remainder 2 equals 0 to even. So whatever this value is, true or false, is assigned to even. That is all for this video on common errors in selection statements. See you on the next video.